Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing, I guess it's called a seed haul. I bought some seeds online. This package here was from Baker Creek, and then also bought some seeds in the store. And I'm just going to show you what I got and what I'm going to be growing this year. So right here in front of you are the seeds I bought. I bought these from Baker's Creek. Actually, it's Baker Creek. I don't know why I said Baker's Creek, but anyway, it's Baker Creek, and I buy seeds from them every year. They're a really good seed company. One good thing when you buy their seeds, they're all free shipping, so that's one good thing. And they just specialize in heirloom seeds, as you can see. A really, really good company, and I highly recommend them. So I already opened the package to save time, and I kind of forgot what I had bought, so let's get them out of the package and let's see what I got. Alright, so the first one, this is Horehound White, and this is from the mint family. But the reason I bought it was because it's supposed to help with coughs and stuff like that, and I get a cough every now and then. I'm kind of hoarse right now, so I guess you can make it into something so it kind of soothes the throat, so I kind of wanted to give that a try. This is chocolate habanero, and this is hot as an habanero, or actually it's a little bit hotter. It has a nice smoky flavor to it. I grow it every year, and I haven't been harvesting the seeds like I should, so I had to buy another pack, but I recommend this one very much. Next one is toothache plant, and this one's an interesting plant. I guess back in the day they used to use it to soothe like gums and stuff like that if you had a tooth problem. It's kind of funny when you chew on it, and I've grown this before. It makes your mouth water like crazy when you chew on the flower buds, so it's kind of a fun thing if you wanted to play a prank or something like that. So, and the next one I got is this Zapotec jalapeno, and I got this one because it is supposed to be like a old ancient heirloom jalapeno. It tastes really well, obviously, and it's from Oaxaca, Mexico. So that's pretty cool. I wanted to try this one. And then another cool thing about Baker's Creek is they always give you a free seed when you order anything. So they gave me this basil blue spice, if I could ever talk, and I'll grow this one. Everybody likes basil, right? And it's supposed to be, says here, especially fine appearance in pots or in the garden, heavy fragrance with spicy vanilla overtone. So sounds pretty interesting. All right, and now here's some I bought at the store, and I bought these serrano chili peppers, and I think everybody knows what these are. This is from I bought these at not Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, quarter a pack. Can't beat the price, right? So yeah, serrano chili peppers, and they are 8,000 to 23,000 Scoville units, so they're hotter than a jalapeno, and you can put them in salsa, stuff like that. Also got Hungarian yellow wax, another hot pepper. Scoville unit is right there, 5,000 to 10,000 Scoville units, and I'll pickle these and stuff like that. So these are pretty flavorful. I got this Green Dragon burpless cucumber, and the reason I bought this because it has very disease resistant, as you can see there. And I always have a big problem in the community garden because there's so many pests that my cucumbers just don't last. Maybe half the season, if that, and then they're completely gone. So I bought this one, so I'm hoping I'll have success with it. I don't know. We shall see. And it's burpless too, so it shouldn't be bitter. I got this one, Patio Champion Hybrid, and this one is a container type, and I bought it so I can try to grow it on my patio. Usually don't grow cucumbers on my patio, but I'm going to try and see if by growing it on the patio that I have a lot less issues with pests. We shall see. And then I got this here, eggplant, White Knight Hybrid. I always grow eggplant, and this one looked interesting. Obviously it says disease resistant, and it's perfect for roasting, sauteing, baking, or served fresh. And I like to saute mine in a pan with some olive oil and garlic, and it's really tasty. And then, of course, thyme. Everybody knows what thyme is. So that's it for this kind of seed haul, I guess, whatever you call it. I will do another one. Have more seeds coming in the mail. I'll go ahead and show you what I got. And yeah, That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Take care.